Text messaging. You can do it on your iPad using this application.
This episode brought to you by GoToMeeting.
Hey everybody, Jeffrey Powers here. Welcome to iPad 365, the show where we look at an app a day to keep your iPad in play. We've got some great applications. Of course, we do applications every single day. On Mondays, we did a great application that looked at your stocks. On Tuesday, we talked about the Simpsons game. On Wednesday, we showed you how you can sign your documents, PDF documents on your iPad. Today, we're going to show you how to text on your iPad. We're going to do it right now. First of all, let you know, iPad 365 is the Twitter, and of course, iPad365show@gmail.com is the email address. We also have a survey out, so go over to geekazine.com/survey, geekazine.com/survey, and you can fill out the small questionnaire. And of course, it'll give me an idea of what you're liking about this. Do you like the fact that there's a Productivity Thursday? Should it be something else? Should it be a Music Thursday? Should it be a Jeff talks about a whole bunch of stuff about his life on Thursday? I don't know. Let me know. That's what the survey is for. Of course, you can Twitter me and you can email me and let me know there as well. All right, today we're going to take a look at a way that you can do text messages. Sometimes, let's say your phone is not doing too well on the text messaging, even though there's the iMessage service, and that does pretty good. And you can also transfer between the iPad and the iPhone. And you don't have a 3G iPad, you have a Wi-Fi iPad. Well, you want to text something to somebody, or maybe you even want to set up a separate text. You don't want to give them your actual phone number. Say, I'll text you. What's your number? And you can text them from this application. It's called Text Plus, and it's one of a few applications out there that lets you text to friends. You're given a number, or you can actually choose your own telephone number and make it a part of your system. Of course, that's going to go for a price, so you want to get your credit card out for that type of stuff. There's a lot of other settings that you can pay for. There's ads on the initial program, but if you want to go ad-free, they have a yearly fee to that you purchase inside the app. So basically what happens is you set up your contacts. So if you've transferred your phone contacts to your iPad, you should be able to just pull from that list, and you can actually text anybody that either is on Text Plus or is not on Text Plus. Like, for instance, my friend Alex, I sent a text message and I said, hey, just wanted to test out this service. Let me know if you got it. And he just responded back, yes, I got it. It shows me who it is, and it shows me his number and everything like that. So now I can put that in there and go from there. I've texted myself a couple times and went back and forth. I threw a picture in here because it lets you put in audio and video. What happens on your phone is you're given a link, which then takes you to a web page, which then shows the picture, then shows the audio. So pretty cool program, very easy to use. The name of the program, once again, is called Text Plus, and it's in the App Store right now. These are ways to communicate using your iPad. Here's another way to communicate using your iPad, by using a program called Citrix and GoToMeeting. You meet with anybody, anywhere. You don't have to drive to them. They don't have to drive to you. If the kid's out sick or something like that, you can still have the meeting because you just pull up your PC, you pull up your Mac, you can even pull up an iPad and run a GoToMeeting session. You can see their desktop, they can see your desktop, you can change presenters on there, and in the PC and Mac version, you even have HD faces. So I can hook up a webcam and we can see each other. So if I'm talking about something and Joe goes, you can go, hey Joe, what's wrong? Is there a problem here? And you can get things done faster, easier, without having anybody miss a meeting. They can even get in a coffee shop and watch the meeting from their iPad. And that's pretty cool. So there's no excuse why somebody can't attend your meetings. Just remember that. Don't take my word for it, because I've been using it for over 4 years and never had a problem with it. Never. And like I said, don't take my word for it. Try it yourself. 30-day free trial by going over to GoToMeeting.com. Click that Try It Free Now button. Enter in the code PODCAST. Podcast gets you 30 days of this great software. And it's over at GoToMeeting.com. Put it in your business toolbox and meet smarter with GoToMeeting. All right, that's the show for today. Do you use a texting application? What do you like? What don't you like about it? The one thing that I like about it is I can give somebody a telephone number. I can text them, and it's not my telephone number. As long as you're not spamming, which they'll probably kick you off the system if you do start spamming other people. But it's a great way to set up. Maybe you could set up a list. As a musician, I just thought of this. As a musician, I like to send text messages to people saying when we're playing. So I get people on a text message list. I could actually import it in here and then send out a text message saying, hey, we're playing this weekend. Come see us. Of course, like I said, as long as it's non-spammy and they approve of that text message, everything's good. So pretty cool stuff. So you got to check that out. And of course, check out all the applications, including tomorrow's application. We're going to have a little bit of fun here. And of course, it's Viewer Choice Friday. So we're going to check that out. And we will do that in 24 when it will be another episode of iPad 365. Don't forget to take the survey over at geekazine.com/survey. And we'll see you in 24. You guys geek out and then take care.
You should follow Graphite on Twitter at GraphiteINC.